Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan and this is your JIS News for Monday, June 9, 2025. 285 high-definition CCTV cameras are operational operational across sections of West Kingston, namely Denham Town, Waltham and the Downtown Business District. The government has invested $300 million on the surveillance cameras, which were mounted over a one-year period. The cameras will provide 24-hour live feed, 7 days per week, into the Denham Town Jamaica Eye Monitoring Center, which was officially opened by the Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang, at the Denham Town Police Station last Thursday. The increased visibility is expected to help officers detect suspicious behavior, monitor hotspots, and respond to incidents with greater speed and precision.
The cameras are there to add to the safety of the community and to bring about a new level of surveillance by our police officers. It's part of the wider sustained investment, of course, to modernize how we approach law enforcement, crime prevention and public safety across Jamaica. And through this and other initiatives, we are providing our police officers with the tools to get the job done.
Minister Desmond McKenzie, who is the Member of Parliament for West Kingston, welcomed the installation of the CCTV cameras and the opening of the monitoring centre.
I think this will significantly improve the quality of policing. It will allow the residents to have more confidence in the work of the security forces. And this, for me, is one of the greatest achievements that we could ever have here in West Kingston.
The Denham Town facility is the 9th Jamaica Eye Monitoring Centre operating in the country, and more will be brought on stream across the island. All facilities will feed into the C5 Centre, which serves as the central hub for managing surveillance, dispatch and national security data. Cocoa farmers in Clarendon have received vital supplies from the Ministry of Agriculture to help combat the destructive frosty pod rot disease and boost crop production. The support package includes fungicides, fertilizers, and essential farming tools such as reaping hooks, mist blowers, pruners, saws, and brush cutters. These resources are expected to be shared among farmers in the parish to enhance their efforts in containing the fungal disease. The handover ceremony took place at the Clarendon RADA office with the equipment set to benefit more than 2,000 farmers.
We're here to ensure that we're not just talking about pest management, we're not just talking about putting the farmers at the forefront, but we're actively ensuring that it is done. This year we are going for rapid expansion. We want you to continue to infuse all that you've learned in relation to the management of the cocoa frosty pod, but we have to now drive back the production because the demand is there tremendously and the prices are not bad at all.
Through RADA, farmers are also receiving training to better manage the disease in their fields. Acting CEO of RADA, Garnet Edmondson, says the tools are part of efforts to modernize how farmers respond to pests and protect their crops.
These tools today will empower, no doubt, and galvanize the type of support that is needed around the fight of the frosty pod disease. This is a very important part of what we do and must continue if we are to sustain cocoa development throughout Jamaica.
Energy Minister Daryl is urging stakeholders in the solar energy sector to prioritize system resilience as they prepare for the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season, which runs from June 1 to November 30. The minister's remarks were delivered by Technical Support Officer in the Ministry, Donnery Muirhead, at the recent Fosrich and Partners Solar Energy Expo held at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in Kingston.
Minister Vaz is urging all our solar partners and customers to go beyond installation, prioritize resilience. Ensure that your solar systems are built to withstand storms with security battery storage, durable mounting, and, importantly, contingency plans. Clean energy must not only power our progress, but guess what? Protect our people in times of crisis.
Highlighting progress in the sector, Minister Vaz points out that Jamaica improved its ranking on the Bloomberg NEF Climate Scope Index in 2024, rising 8 spots to 39th out of 105 countries. The index evaluates countries based on their attractiveness for clean energy investment. The Ministries of Health and Education recently hosted a child conversation wellness bench Lime in Runaway Bay, St. Anne, to educate teens on stress management and mental well-being. The event, led by the Ministry of Health's Child and Adolescent Mental Health Unit, engaged students in wellness-focused activities and discussions. In a video message, Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. Christopher Tufton reassured students of the government's support amid growing mental health challenges.
We are here to support you in the face of pressures from social media, family and peer expectations, as well as navigating school life among other areas. The struggle we know is real. But you should know that you are not alone, but also that there is help available if you need it.
Minister Tufton also encouraged students to utilize the on-site wellness bench, a symbol of creating safe spaces for young people to talk and seek support. Regional 3 Director Carleen Segri emphasized the Education Ministry's stance on protecting children's rights.
As a Ministry of Education, we stand with our children. Without the children, we have no school. Without the children, we have no jobs. And so we are really condemning all the acts that have been taking place in recent times against children, against our boys and against our girls across Jamaica.
And finally, Transport Minister Daryl Vaz has issued a renewed call for national action to reduce road fatalities. The call comes as reports point to 165 lives lost on Jamaica's roads as of June 4, despite a slight decrease compared to the previous year. Speaking at the official launch of Road Safety Month 2025, the minister stressed that road safety was a shared responsibility among all Jamaicans. The month-long observance is being held under the theme, Obey the Code, Respect the Road.
It is widely recognized that despite having fewer vehicles, developing countries account for a higher proportion of global road fatalities. Therefore, today's launch serves as a declaration that as business owners, transport operators, public officials, civil servants, parents, and citizens, we must come together to confront the ongoing crisis of road traffic injuries and fatalities in our country.
Minister Vaz also reminded road users to follow traffic rules.
The moment we all decide to make road safety our personal and collective priority, not just for 30 days, but for every day, for every road, and for every life. Let us each be a road model, not a role model, a road model. Let us set the example. Because behind every fatality is a name, a face, a future that should have been continued. Let us drive for them, walk for them, and live for them.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.